Modding the classic LEGO Racers game and need to work with TUN audio files? This is a proprietary audio format used in the original LEGO Racers PC game. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to extract and play these LEGO Racers audio files. We'll be comparing our manual fix to the final option, made possible by using just one industry-leading TUN File inspection tool that supports a vast library of file formats. TUN Files are audio files used by the classic LEGO Racers video game developed by High Voltage Software. They contain music tracks and audio data in a proprietary format specific to the game engine, storing background music and audio cues used during racing gameplay and menu screens. TUN Files use a custom audio container format designed for the LEGO Racers game engine. The format typically wraps standard PCM or compressed audio data with game-specific headers and metadata required by the LEGO Racers audio playback system for in-game music streaming and looping. The most trusted opener for the TUN file is consistently Audacity from open source. Windows often fails to decompress all components within this complex format. Windows provides basic listening capabilities, but detailed adjustments require specialized applications. Let's check the software manifest. Right-click your TUN file and select Open With. Test Audacity if it is installed. If it's unavailable, choose a different program. We are looking for the right interpreter. When your TUN file isn't responding, don't worry, it's typical. A specialized format like TUN demands specialized preparation. Let's ensure we have all the correct fundamental details checked off on our list. First, using game modding tools. Download LEGO Racers modding tools from community sites like Rock Raiders United or LEGO Racers fan forums. These specialized utilities can extract, decode, and convert TUN files to standard audio formats. Follow community-published guides for the specific tool version and conversion workflow. Next, converting with audio tools. Some TUN files contain raw PCM audio data that can be imported into Audacity using file, then import, then raw data. Experiment with sample rate channel configuration and encoding settings to find the correct parameters that produce recognizable audio playback from the raw TUN data. Finally, playing in-game. If extraction proves difficult, the TUN files play normally during LEGO Racers gameplay. Run the game using DOSBox or Windows compatibility mode to hear the audio in its intended context. Recording the audio output during gameplay provides an alternative to direct file extraction. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You may find success with a solution built on independent file logic that aims to read the file header at the byte level to identify the format, regardless of its current label. When our initial solutions didn't work, this means the file structure is unusually complex. Skip the frustration and move to File Magic, the universal viewer that consistently succeeds where basic apps stop. Check out filemagic.com to download now. If the problem is solved, please show your support by liking and subscribing right now.